title, Unveiling the Maurya Empire, A Journey Through Ancient India Episode 1, Introduction. Welcome to our series on Indian history. Over the next 100 shorts, we'll dive deep into the incredible story of the Maurya Empire, the dynasty that shaped ancient India. Stay tuned for a journey through time. Episodes 2 to 5, Origins. The political landscape before Mauryas. Before the Maurya Empire, India was divided into Mahajanapadas. Let's explore how this fragmentation set the stage for Chandragupta's rise. Chandragupta Maurya's early life. Chandragupta was born in humble beginnings. How did this young boy overthrow the mighty Nandas? Find out. Chanakya and the Arthashastra. The mastermind behind Chandragupta's rise was Chanakya. Let's uncover his strategies and their role in creating an empire. Overthrow of the Nanda dynasty. Chandragupta's victory over the Nandas was a turning point in Indian history. How did he achieve this? Stay with us. Episodes 6 to 15, Expansion of the Empire. Cover his military campaigns, consolidation of power, and the empire's vast extent under Chandragupta. Episodes 16 to 25, Bindusara's reign. Explore Bindusara's lesser-known reign, the maintenance of stability, and the cultural exchanges during his rule. Episodes 26 to 45, Ashoka the Great. Ashoka's early life. Ashoka, the fiercest Mauryan ruler, had a turbulent rise to power. Let's look at his early life. The Kalinga War. The Kalinga War marked a dramatic shift in Ashoka's life. What happened in this bloody conflict? Conversion to Buddhism. From conquest to compassion, Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism changed the course of history. Ashoka's Dhamma. Ashoka's Dhamma wasn't just religion, it was a way of life. Let's decode his philosophy. Rock edicts and pillars. Ashoka's messages were etched in stone. What do these inscriptions tell us today? Episodes 46 to 60, Administration and Society. Explore the Mauryan administrative system, taxation, governance, economy, and trade relations. Episodes 61 to 70, Art and Culture. Cover the architecture, sculptures, literature, and the spread of Buddhism during the Mauryan era. Episodes 71 to 80, Decline of the Empire post-Ashoka era. After Ashoka's death, the empire faced challenges. What led to its decline? Weak successors. The lack of strong rulers weakened the Mauryan grip. Let's explore why. The rise of regional powers. The fall of the Mauryas paved the way for regional kingdoms. What replaced this once mighty empire? Episodes 81 to 90, Legacy of the Maurya Empire. The Mauryan influence on Indian culture. The Mauryas shaped India's cultural identity. How does their legacy live on today? The spread of Buddhism. Ashoka's support for Buddhism spread it across Asia. How did this impact the world? Economic innovations. The Mauryan economy was advanced for its time. Let's uncover their contributions to trade and agriculture. Episodes 91 to 99, Fun Facts and Insights. Share lesser-known facts, such as Ashoka's animal welfare policies, his espionage network, and the role of women in Mauryan society. Episode 100, Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Maurya Empire. From Chandragupta to Ashoka's Dhamma, we've seen how one empire left a lasting mark on Indian and world history. Stay tuned for more deep dives into history.